Hello, in this video we'll do exercise 3, page 42. Write each of the following numbers as a decimal fraction with denominator 10. 4/5, we have to make the denominator 10. So 5 times what is equal to 10? 5 times 2. So we multiply this fraction by 2. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. Now 2 times what equals to 10 times 5. So we multiply this fraction by 5. 7 times 5, 35. 2 times 5, 10. Now 50. What we have to do to make it 10? We have to divide by 5 to get 10. So we divide this fraction by 5. 15 divided by 5, 3. 15 divided by 5, 50 divided by 5, 10. Now we have 12 over 60. Have to make 60 10. We have to divide by 6 to get 10. So we divide this fraction by 6. 12 divided by 6, 2. 60 divided by 6, 10. Now 8.4 over 2. What we have to do to make it 10? We have to multiply by 5. So we multiply this fraction by 5. Let's multiply 8.4 by 5. Let's do it here. 8.4 times 5. 5 times 4, 20. So we write 0 and we carry 2. 5 times 8, 40 plus 2, 42. Now we see how many digits after the point? 1 digit. So we put the point here and we can cross this 0 because we have point 0. So the answer is 42. 42 over 10. Now write each of the following numbers as a decimal fraction with denominator 100. Now we need a denominator 100. 100. We have the denominator here is 5. We know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So 5 times what is equal to 100? We miss 1 0. So we multiply it by 20. So we have to multiply this fraction by 20. 14 times 20. 14 times 2 is equal to 28 and we have 0, so 280. 5 times 20 is equal to 100. Now we have 50. 50 times what is equal to 100? Times 2. So we multiply this fraction by 2. 16 times 2 is equal to 30. 32. 50 times 2 is equal to 100. Now we have a 20. 20 times what is equal to 100? We know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and we have a 0, so we have to multiply this number, this fraction by 5. 43 times 5 is equal to 215. 20 times 5 is equal to 100. Now we have 15 over 500. How to make 500 100? We have to divide by 5. 15 divided by 5, 3. 500 divided by 5, 100. Now we have 35.2 over 20. What we have to do to get 100? We multiply by 5. So we multiply this fraction by 5. Let's do 32.2 times 5 here. 35.2 times 5. 5 times 2, 10, so we write 0 and we carry 1. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. So we write 6 and we carry 2. 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. We have one digit after the point, so we put the point before one digit. 0.0, so we can cross this 0, and we get 176 over 100. Now we have to do exercise 4. Write each of the following numbers as a decimal fraction. So we have decimal numbers and we have to write them in decimal as decimal fraction. So what we have to do here? Look, we have 26.7. First, we write the number without points in the numerator. In the numerator, we write the number without points. And in the denominator, we have to write 10 or 100 or 1000 because it is a decimal fraction. Look, here we have one digit after the point, so we have 10. We have to write in the denominator 10 because 10 has 1 0 because we have one digit after the point. So it is 267 over 10. Now 4.25, we write the number without points in the numerator, so it is 425. In the denominator, we have to write what? We have two digits after the point, so we write 100 because 100 has two zeros after two zeros, so we have to write 100 because we have two digits after the point. Now 13.17, we write the number without point in the numerator, and in the denominator we write 100 because we have two digits after the point. Now this number, we write the number without point in the numerator, and we count how many digits we have after the point. 1, 2, 3. So the denominator is 1000 because 1000 has 3 zeros. Now 7.08 We write the number without points in the numerator. And how many zeros? Two digits after the point, so two zeros. So the denominator is 100. Thank you.